Hello, my name is Brandon Perez, and I'm going to explain Canva's business model. Key partners, founded on February 26, 1986 by Wilfredo Jimenez, we are a company based in Santa Marta department of Magdalena, north of Colombia. The Jimenez Business Group, which also includes the firms Jimenez Constructores, Promotora Jimenez, and Urbanizadora Jimenez, is currently headed by Constructora Jimenez. Key activities ensure the availability of financial, human, and technological resources. Constructora Jimenez is the owner of an industrial unit that produce crushed materials and different construction materials certified in ISO 1901 2015. Key resources: executive unit, laborers, different type of equipment, high course, training, technological tools, financial tools. Value proposal: design, evaluate, and propose improvement to optimize cost, time, and quality, covering all stages of the project cycle. Integrate allied manufacturers who are part of the project we develop. We're where we offer solution focuses on meeting their needs with new technologies of better performance and cost. Customer relationship: listen to the customer, know their needs and expectations. Know your customers, anticipate their wishes, always seek to improve, based on the criticism received or your own judgment. Channels: make calls after orders, follow up of order by clients according to time. Market segment: address: edificio ejecutivo, calle 23, número 427, Comuna 2, Santa Marta, Magdalena. Demographic and socioeconomic: clients in the construction of the required infrastructure, since they share the uniqueness and relevance that they have, through an enriched translation of their needs or desires. Segment: commercial, corporate, industrial, institutional, state. Cost structure: entry: work breakdown structure, reserve requirements and costs, estimated duration, historical information, account coding. Tools and techniques: estimation techniques, econometric model, comparing tools. Departures: construction cost estimate, support details, plan for managing costs in the company. Sources of income: income depends on production of crushed material, sale of raw material for construction, rental of construction equipment, government contribution to improve roads, certification for environmental sustainability, project committee, civil engineer consultancies. Now, I'm gonna say um, the value proposal. The market is increasingly competitive, which is why the value proposition is to continue improving in terms of housing, as the flagship project is two towers located in front of the sea in Belo Horizonte with 51,000 square meters and sale of um, 108,000 million. The design was carried out by London architecture French Chapman Taylor, one of the most important in the world. Another important project is the hotel with the Radisson franchise, which has an investment in order of 28,000 million with the best acquisition of material in the area and a process for classifying materials used for the production of quality housing. That's it. Thank you. Good night.